A makeover recipe of a famous Spanish deep-fried delicacy churros. Not sweet but salty. If you are a fries fan, you will love this recipe. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. What makes this recipe more interesting is, you can make them in many tastes and forms. I make them in 2 different flavors and different forms. Stay with me to see how to do them. First things first, we need 250 grams potatoes and we boil them until soft. I pour 250 ml water in a pot, add 1 teaspoon nutmeg and 1 teaspoon salt, 100 grams butter and bring it to a boil. Then add 250 grams all-purpose flour in and stir it until there is a white patina on the bottom of the pot. I give the dough into the kitchen machine. Now I add 5 eggs, 1 at a time. You need to wait until every single egg is integrated in the dough before cracking the next in. When the dough looks like that, it's perfect. For the herbal churros, I prepare some parsley by removing the stems and chopping them fine. It should be fine enough. I need to chop some dill as well. By now the potato should be soft. To find out, use a fork, not a knife. If the potatoes slip from the fork, they are done. Cool and peel them. Then mash them fine. Add it to your dough and mix it until it's integrated. Divide the dough in 2 parts. To 1 portion I add my chopped herbs and mix it well. Now I cut the parchment paper into small pieces that fit to the deep pan I'm going to fry the churros in. The dough is soft and sticky, and using the parchment paper the way I will show you, it's the easiest way to put them in the oil. You need also a pastry bag. I use a disposable one. Fill the bag and twist it tight. I start by making stripes. Any form you like can be done, even a heart for the beloved one. I want to make spicy churros with the other portion of the dough. Add 1 teaspoon of each garlic powder, cayenne pepper, onion powder and black pepper and mix them in the dough. Again the fun part. Heat up enough oil in a deep pan to 180 Celsius. Here's the trick. I lay the churros with the paper in the oil, and after a minute I can easily remove the paper. I fry them golden brown for about 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure to flip them to fry them evenly. I fry them batch after batch and lay them on the cooling rack. They look delicious. Look at these amazing forms. All beautiful. You can eat them with sour cream, ketchup or any other dip you like. Crunchy and tasty. Both the herbal version and the spicy version. I like the spicy one more though. If you liked the video, give me a thumb up and subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching.